The first Scotch Order of Merit in the batch 3 goes to the Rural Development and Panchayats District Administration Moga for their project renovation of traditional water bodies for reuse of treated water. They missed out in the previous announcement.
Congratulations, Moga. Do we have the representative?
Yes.
No, we don't.
No, the gentleman is there.
No, that's...
All right, we move on. The District Administration Dhalai for the honorable mention of Scotch Crucible Award, reduction of percentage of malnourished children by supplementation of nutritious diet and proactive treatment in NRC and local PHCs.
Congratulations.
District Administration Chota Udaipur, comprehensive emergency obstetric and newborn care.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning.
Thank you, Scotch. I am Dr. Akash, Deputy Director, Deepak Foundation. We are based in Vadodara district of Gujarat, and I am representing Mr. Sujal Mehta, the District Collector of Chota Udaipur district. It's actually a public-private partnership project which we have been running since last 15 years. When we had initiated this project, we had initiated from zero, and currently we are having more than 5,000 deliveries conducted at our center, which is one of the best performing FIDUs of entire Gujarat right. Thank you.
Congratulations, and thank you so much for joining us.
My compliments, doctor. Great job.
This brings me to the next announcement of the Scotch Order of Merit for District Administration Kanker for Project Lalima Loha Anemia Se. It's a very interesting project. Do we have anybody representing Kanker?
Yes, we have.
All right.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Could you kindly introduce yourself and let us know where Kanker is?
Yeah, so basically I'm an aspirational district fellow working in Chhattisgarh, Kanker. Kanker is one of the LWE districts in Chhattisgarh, and it's almost 140 kilometers from Raipur. So the project that we have worked on is one of its kind. So Lalima is an extension of Anemia Mukt Bharat, and we have been able to bring out more than 3,000 women from severe anemic status to regular status, which is a huge achievement in itself, especially considering the regions that we work in. So this is one of the very big achievements that we had. And yesterday again, we went to field and I asked someone ki aapka hemoglobin kitna hona chahiye, and a lot of women said ki 12 hona chahiye, and that was an achievement that I myself felt this is how it should be. This is the level of understanding that people need.
Congratulations, excellent.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
I must very quickly add that I had the opportunity to study in Bastar High School for a year 55 years ago, and I had visited Kanker a couple of times. So you jog very old memories, yes, and congratulations for the great work that you are doing.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. For the honorable mention under the Scotch Crucible category, District Administration Katni for their project Nirogi Kaya Abhiyan. The next one is a Scotch Order of Merit, also goes to the District Administration Katni for their project Vishwas Abhiyan. District Administration Khandwa for their efforts to transform health and nutrition services and increase coverage. District Administration Khunti for their project Bori Bandh. Do we have somebody representing Khunti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we.
Good to see you there.
Yeah, hello, sir. Yeah. Good afternoon. Bori Bandh, our project Bori Bandh started with a project on water conservation and promoting livelihood, but eventually it took a form of a social movement. And in Khunti now, with the Scotch Award also during the Boti, So, across the whole like 86 panchayat, there was a moment of like during the process also we made like some 40-50 bori baths. So I today I also have someone who was like someone who has been like into the mobilization during the whole project. So I want you all to meet him also at the same time. So here Ajay Sharma is here, who is a mobilizer for our project. I would like you to meet and listen from him also.
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार।
बोरी बांध के कई फायदे यहाँ हुए हैं सर। एक बोरी बांधने के फायदे किए हैं। एक तरफ जहाँ जल संरक्षण हो रहा है, भूगर्भीय जल स्तर ऊपर आया, लोग जो पानी के लिए 2-3 किलोमीटर दूर जाना पड़ता था नहाने के लिए, वो नहाने का पानी उन लोगों को गांव में ही मिला और स्थानीय संसाधनों के बल पर और लोगों के द्वारा श्रमदान करके ये बोरी बांध बनाए गए और ये मॉडल गांव के लोगों को इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया। इसके लिए हम लोगों ने काफ़ी जन जागरूकता अभियान चलाया, गांव में सभाएं की और लोग इतने जागरूक हो गए कि हम लोगों ने डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से जहां 200 बोरी बांध बनाए, गांव के लोग खुद भी इससे।
चलिए, let's move on to the next. I think we lost them.
Okay. But that was quite encouraging. For the honorable mention for Scotch Crucible Award, District Administration Koraput for the project Aparajita, a campaign to end child marriage. District Administration Kota Gudam for their project Nivedana. And now move on to the District Administration Kulu for their project Anganwadi Adoption Program for Health and Nutrition of Children. As an honorable mention for Scotch Crucible, Dr. Richa Verma, Deputy Commissioner, District Administration Kulu. I think we have a representative from there. Please introduce yourself. We cannot hear you. I think your audio is stuck.
मेरे ख्याल आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी।
जी।
चलिए, move on to the next.
एक
We can come back to
आप
Next also
आखिर
we are
में
from
आगे।
आप एक काम करें, लॉग आउट करके एक बार दोबारा से लॉग इन करेंगे तो ऑडियो आ जाएगा। ये इस बैच के आखिर में आपको दोबारा से एक बार हम ऑनलाइन ले लेंगे, आपसे बात करेंगे। We move on to the next in between.
ऐसे आप दिख गए, यही बहुत है सबके लिए।
ये भी उन्हीं का है, तो हम आपसे दोबारा बात करेंगे। डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कुपवारा, खिदमते कुपवारा, मिस्टर अंशुल गर्ग, डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट। Welcome, Mr. Garg.
Sir, good morning. Thank you so much. I hope I am audible.
Yes, you are. Congratulations.
Yes, you are. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Basically, this project was just about intervention in the health sector, where we are working in the northernmost district of the Kashmir Valley, and there were several challenges as regards completion of some pending infrastructure works and introduction of some modern amenities, dialysis and CT scan and such other facilities were not available in the district, which they are now. Involvement of stakeholders was an important component. We followed a lot of Panchayat institutions, municipalities, awareness activities, door-to-door campaigns. The capacity building of our health workers was an important component here, where we institutionalized the training of the ASHA workers that we have in the district. And the training institute now stands affiliated with the National Institute of Schooling at par with the national standards. We are also working towards the Kayakalp and Lakshya standardization of all our healthcare institutes. And look forward to carrying forward the activities currently as well. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
I must say, Anshul, that you are working not only in hard times, but in a very hard environment. In fact, the kind of work that you do goes down meaningfully to people, helping the entire nation to integrate. Congratulations and keep on doing the great job, Anshul.
Thank you so much, sir. Grateful, sir.
Fantastic.
The next one also goes to him for the district response to COVID.
Thank you so much. Actually, this is just building on to the intervention in the health sector. which has been quite useful to us in tackling COVID, because Kashmir was grappled with the COVID scenario due to the Delhi hotspot issue, which emerged in the first week of April. And subsequently, we've had close to around 450 cases in the district. But due to active recovery rate of 70%, the active cases has come down to about 100. And we are managing active containment strategies effective contact tracing to our need and mobilization of manpower. And obviously, last couple of months for quarantine, COVID care, and the dedicated COVID care hospital. So fortunately, our interventions last year in the health sector came in quite handy towards tackling of COVID, and slowly we are moving towards the unlock activity. Thank you so much.
Congratulations for doing a good job, keep it up. Thank you. Next is District Administration Leh for their project Sangda. The honorable mention for District Administration Ludhiana for their waste to wealth management with the help of MG and NREGA. District Administration Madurai for their project Kudimara Mathu. The honorable mention for District Administration Mancherial Shatham program is Bharati Holikari. She is Collector and District Magistrate. Yes.
Hello everyone. I am Kumar Deepak, Assistant Collector Mancherial. So I am representing this District Administration Mancherial. So Mancherial is in Telangana state. It's a new district carved out of erstwhile Adilabad district.
Okay.
So this program was launched to increase pass percentage, and that is 100% pass percentage in class 10, to increase learning outcome, to increase attendance. So in this program, we divided a student in various small groups, and we trained them as teacher and as a leader. And based upon this, we got very encouraging result, like attendance increased drastically to 94%. This time we could not conduct exam due to this COVID situation. Otherwise, we would have validated data that it has actually led to improvement in learning outcomes. So earlier result is showing the learning outcome has improved, but we need confirmation from one outside, that is SSC result. But this time we could not conduct SSC exam due to COVID. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
The next one also goes to the District Administration Mancherial. This is for Swachh Bharat Mission Grameen. Over to you.
Yeah. So this project was to increase cleanness and manage liquid waste and other waste resources and conversion of waste to resources. So in this, we formed various interest group, various motivational techniques, and so that we are able to construct soak pits, dumping yards, and we are managing now liquid and solid waste quite easily, and it has led to increase in our ranking, and we topped ranking in Swachhta Darpan once, and this way it will increase natural environment of our district. Thank you.
Thank you, and keep up the good work. Congratulations once again. So the honorable mention goes to District Administration Mon for financially inclusive Mon. Do we have
Good morning, everyone.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. This is Tawasilan, the Deputy Commissioner of Mon. So very grateful to the Scotch Group for the honorable mention. So this particular project was conceived to ensure, we still have several blocks where there are no banks. So, oftentimes they'll have to have travel several tens of kilometers to access the bank. So we started popularizing the India Post Payments Bank, using which we've been able to sort of ensure that people are able to access the banking system through the post offices in the villages itself. That's been the whole idea around this particular project of ours. Thank you.
Congratulations. And where is Mon?
Mon is the northernmost district of Nagaland.
Wonderful. So, I think one fantastic thing that this online media is doing for us is that very, very unreachable parts of the country also are joining us digitally. It shows, how deep the penetration is and how wonderfully well actually digitally India is.
Very true. Very true.
Thank you so much for joining
us.
And congratulations. We move on to the next, which also goes to the same gentleman for Skill Moan Mission.
So Skill Moan, so my district is an insurgency affected district, and there are not too many industries or service industries to help employ people. So this particular mission was conceived in order to ensure we made maximum use of the PMGKAY. We trained several hundreds of people, and we got them. We got several training partners to come over here, and then familiarize people about what are the various opportunities, and then get them to formally join them, get them trained, and then place them in several organizations across the country and the world. So this again is an endorsement of our efforts. So thank you so much.
Congratulations. And here we are with the Scotch Order of Merit, also goes to Moan for the district response to COVID.
Right, thank you. So again, there's an acknowledgement of efforts. So right from the time the pandemic struck, our health infrastructure is not one of the best when compared to districts around the country. So we had several challenges right from delivering services to the people at their doorsteps, to preparing the community for a response in case there's an outbreak in the district. So again, thank you for the Scotch Order of Merit. Thank you everyone.
The next Order of Merit goes to the project Hamara Vidyalaya, District Administration Namsai. District Administration Narayanpet for Sitafal Processing Units. Dr. Smita Pillai, Deputy Director of Horticulture from District Administration Narmada. Project Livelihood Enhancement of Farming Community through Horticulture Initiatives. Do we have the lady with us?
Yes. Congratulations, madam. You're on mute. Mic on कर लीजिए अपनी.
Yes, I would like.
आपका फिर से म्यूट हो गया.
Reduce the volume of your speakers and then you can unmute.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I would like to thank on behalf of Collector Narmada, Scotch Group for awarding our project with Order of Merit. I am feeling proud to be a part of highest independent civilian award ceremony. Our project of livelihood enhancement of tribal community through horticulture initiative followed an integrated approach and tried to fulfill Honorable Prime Minister's dream of doubling of farmers' income and employment generation. We achieved this with the conversion of schemes with various central and state departments schemes. We emphasized on waste management of crop residues, mainly banana. Banana is a major crop of our district and covers around 9,000 hectare area. So we processed the distribution of banana and generated an revenue from out of it, and also generated an employment. Even we process and coir waste management, and we established a small scale value addition units for farmers and landless farmers. Even we emphasized on honeybee farming. Honeybee farming is talked about by a previous speaker, but we concentrated on increasing of horticulture production through honeybee farming, as we can record 1.5 times more increase in production due to honeybee as due to pollination done by them. Even mushroom farming for income generation was adopted. We work in good agriculture practices for quality production, and like that we have worked for this project.
It's
and
fantastic.
I will thank you again.
Efforts are most commendable.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations. The honorable mention next is for the District Administration Pakur for demonstration school under the ADT program. District Administration Panipat for Swachh Sundar Samudayik Shauchalaya. We have the gentleman with us.
Preeti Sabarwal, ADC.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार. साउंड बंद हो गया आपको.
आपने म्यूट कर लिया अपने आप. जी बताएं.
Thank you so much for presenting this award to us. We have constructed 175 community toilets under this Abhiyan in our district, and we have been trying to maintain them, and we can proudly claim that anybody who is coming from outside to any of our rural part in Panipat would have the access to community toilet, clean and maintained community toilets, and we feel proud to be part of this award ceremony. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. District Administration Patna for the honorable mention project Arogya Divas Green Channel. Mr. Kumar Ravi, District Magistrate. Do we have the gentleman with us?
We can go on to the next.
District Administration Pedapalli for Swachh Bharat Mission. We have the former collector and district magistrate with us.
Congratulations, madam.
Sri Devasana.
What's your name and where is Pedapalli?
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes.
I am Devasena, former collector of Pedapalli and present collector of Adilabad. Pedapalli is a district in Telangana state. It's carved out of the erstwhile district of Karimnagar. First of all, a big thank you for awarding us the Scotch Award. I would like to tell you a few things about what we've done here. Pedapalli is the first district in the entire country to be open drain free, not just open defecation free, but also open drain free. What normally characterizes Indian villages is that you have an open drain flowing in front of every house. But this is the only district in the entire country where you will not find a single open drain, because all the wastewater of every house is drained into what we call a magic soap pit, which we construct under the MNREGS, the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. And this has been done for every single household in the district, which makes it a completely open drain-free district, and because of which the incidence of dengue in the district from 2008 to 2019 has decreased by almost 65%. This was something like 271 cases in 2018.
Madam, you
Let's
have
move on to the next. Kunal,
okay.
Am I audible? I think I was disconnected in between.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's quite heartening to understand your initiative there, and how is it that you brought your district to such a level of. So our congratulations to you, and wish.
I'd like to add a small thing. We are the only district in the country to have our own brand of sanitary napkins, which are provided to the rural households, manufactured by SHGs and distributed by the SHGs, the self-help groups, at every rural household. And this brand is called Sabala. Sabala means an empowered woman. So this is a second distinction that in the country that our district alone has. And we have won 4 Swachh Bharat awards in a row, also awarded as the cleanest district in the country by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, on October 2nd, 2019. And all this.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. We move on to the District Administration Puducherry for their project Neeram Orum, Water and the City /Village.
I'm very thankful to the Scotch Order of Merit and H. Senthilnathan, coordinator on behalf of the District Collectivity of Puducherry. Sir, our project is Neeram Orum, that is water conservation within the city and the villages. We have roped in all the NGOs, self-help groups, and all the people. Public participation is the sole criteria for this project. No government allocation of funds, because it has to be sustainable, and people themselves adopted a lake, and corporate social responsibility is also roped in, sir. So we have desilted on this ground 191 ponds and 203 kilometers of lakes and tanks, and as a result of which 15 feet of groundwater has rise. as reported by the Central Groundwater Authority. And more importantly, the key feature is we have launched Jal Abhilekh app, that is an Android-based app, through which all the water bodies are geo-tagged, unique ID is given, and the water bodies could not be encroached. Asset officers are informed online. Government to citizen interface is enabled. Security piracy is all the 4 languages: Hindi, English, Tamil, even French is also incorporated in the app. This is the first of its kind in India. Digitization of water bodies, and all the water bodies are taken into account so that it is sustainable. And every year, the ponds are being adopted by many youth. This is the criteria, sir. Then rainwater harvesting structures are mandated in all the government institutions by amending the bylaws of the Puducherry Planning Authority, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
Congratulations. The honorable mention goes to the District Administration Ranchi for Swasth Ranchi. District Administration Riyasi, this is again from the Valley, Kashmir, for the project Jal Shakti. Ms. Indu Kanwal Chib, Deputy Commissioner. Do we have the lady with us?
She's there, but her video is off.
She can speak.
Can she just speak?
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning, and I'm grateful. Full of gratitude, I accept this order of merit. जल शक्ति ने वो काम करा इन पहाड़ों में. I have a hilly district. उन पहाड़ों में इन लोगों को पहले ही ये आता था. They knew about water conservation, but they didn't know how to effectively use it.
आप थोड़ा सा कैमरा
मैंने ट्रेडिशनल चीजें उनको ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से सिखाई. I'm sorry.
मैंने कहा आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा, थोड़ा सा कैमरा मूव कीजिए आप.
कैमरा थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेंगे तो विल बी एबल टू सी.
बहुत हाई है कैमरा, आपकी शक्ल नहीं दिखती.
राइट.
थोड़ा नीचे टिल्ट कर लेंगे.
हाँ, wonderful. Now it is okay. Now we can hear you and
we can also see you.
Thank you so much. And this is one of its kind. मेरे district में कटरा है, the world famous Katra with the Vaishno Devi shrine. So thank you so much. Full of gratitude and humbled.
And madam, sorry, your name, please.
Indu. INDU. Indu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
It's good to see you again. We've had an interaction earlier. Congratulations.
Yeah. And I am with you since morning. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये सारी बातें सुन के.
Very nice. We are also
Thank you so much, Indu.
Thank you.
So here we are once again with the same lady. District response to COVID.
Thank you, sir. Again, I'm very. It's very uncertain. Actually, COVID is very uncertain. This is, I always say, I am right now with no deaths and a single-digit mark. I only have 9 cases. I had 31, but it has come down to 9. And but it's very uncertain. अगर सब कुछ ठीक रहा तो we will stay single-digit. But let's see. I hope so. It goes fine.
Let's hope for the best.
Thank you again.
Thank you so much. Next, we have District Administration Rewa for its response to COVID. Deepak, do we have somebody representing Rewa District?
Oh, sir, we can move.
The honorable mention for the District Administration Rudraprayag for Project Lakshya. The order of merit also goes to the District Administration Rudraprayag for its response to COVID. District Administration Sabarkantha for District Grievance Management System, Mr. C.G. Patel, District Magistrate and Collector. District Administration Samba for PMAY Grameen.
प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना.
District Administration for Water Management. District Administration Saraikela Kharsavan for District Scheme and Resource Management.
It's not there.
Congratulations.
And this brings us to
I
the
think
end.
Khandwa has just joined, number 5.
Okay. And do we have Kulu as well with us?
Yes, sir.
Khandwa.
He just left Khandwa.
So here we are with District Administration Khandwa for its efforts to transform health and nutrition services and increase coverage.
Gursharan, I would like to comment on the great job that is being done by people across the country. I mean, I was amazed to find out from Kashmir to Nagaland to Mancherial and to South Puducherry. And particularly, I hope the participants appreciate this. This has been the penchant with Scotch, that they go to the smallest place and try to find out the great job that is being done. I would, in conclusion, like to say congratulations to all the participants, whether they won any award or mention or not, because it's a great job that you are doing.